Friends, I have got some incredible news to share with you today. You won't believe it. I managed to secure a refund not just once, not twice, but three times from BLS International Canada. Now, let me get straight to the point. By end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what you're paying for when you're dealing with BLS International Canada. I will walk you through the hassle-free process of initiating a refund and show you how to avoid these unnecessary extra charges from the very start. First, if you're not familiar with BLS, here is the deal. When you need to reissue your Indian passport, surrender it, or get an OCI card, BLS steps in to collect your document and process them with the Consulate General and High Commission, depending on where your location is. In my case, it was CGI Toronto. As you can see on the screen, these are the two videos which are on how to get an OCI for minor and adult. And thanks to you all and your generous comment on how useful these videos have been. And similarly, this is for the surrender certificate. Now, coming back, here is a tip. Whenever you call the help desk, make sure to ask for the representative name. The same goes when you are in the BLS office. This way you can put a name to the grievance, making it easier to track and resolve. But the real kicker was the BLS agent I initially dealt with did not provide a breakdown of charges. Instead, they sent a link with the total. When I asked for the detailed breakdown, they claimed they did not have one. This is what they have. But here is the thing, I didn't give up. I persisted, sent follow-up email, and then escalated the matter all the way to the Prime Minister's office and to Ministry of External Affairs. Now, the result, after the effort, I finally received a detailed breakdown of charges. And guess what? I have been charged for the service I haven't even used. For example, I had submitted both physical photo and digital upload for my application, yet BLS had overcharged me for the photos. The photo cover, that is the passport cover, and then the EP. And this was very, very frustrating for me. But here is the silver lining. I requested a refund. Not only did I get it once, but I got $55 back at first instance and then 20 in the second. And when I applied for the OCI, it was a breeze. I got a refund of $30. All I had to do was ask for the breakdown, similar to what I'm showing you right now. And once again, I spotted those extra charges and got my money back. So here is my tip when dealing with BLS. Take this screenshot of the breakdown, what I'm showing on the screen. And when they charge you the amount and you get the detail, demand transparency. If they still won't give it to you, you can escalate the issue through their website. And if that doesn't work, don't hesitate to reach the ministry. One more thing I found from the YouTube comment section, that someone, when he did a walk-in to BLS office, he was charged $5 for each page between this page 5 to 8. Okay, I'll take a pause and I will show this to you. This 5 to 8 page is not at all required to be printed because these are instructions, and the first 4 page is where all your details are going. So if somebody is trying to push to take printout for this page 5 to 8, you know what to do now. This is not mandatory. So if at all you are charged, remember, all you need to do is escalate the matter. Now I have a bonus tip for you, which is something interesting. While submitting the check to CGI, you can see I made a combined check for 2 people in name of CGI and a combined check in name of BLS for 2 people. This works and this works fine. In my case, I avoided the service fee to be paid twice to the bank. Usually bank charges per check $10. So in my case, I would have had to give 4 checks that would have costed me $40. Now, by combining this check, right, I was able to reduce that by half And also asking the bank for a waiver helped me completely eliminate the charges what bank charges, being a loyal customer. Now, the only caution here is that I was confident that I did not make any mistake in the application. Otherwise, this entire money will be stuck till you get your application out. So, friends, I hope this video not only saves your money but also empowers you to navigate the world of BLS International Canada with confidence. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe for more money saving tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Thank you.